If your goal is younger-looking skin, these 4 oils absolute help with wrinkles, glow, and firmness.
1. Rosehip oil, rich in vitamin A and C, boosts collagen production, helps smooth fine lines, and improves skin texture. Best for aging and dull skin. 2. Argan oil packed with vitamin E and fatty acids deeply moisturizes and improves skin elasticity. Makes skin look plump and soft. Best for dry and mature skin. 3. Jojoba oil closely mimics the skin's natural oil. Helps repair the skin barrier. Smooths fine lines over time. Best for sensitive and oily skin. 4. Frankincense oil. Known for skin-tightening properties, improves skin tone and firmness. Often used in anti-aging routines. Best for wrinkles and sagging skin.